Our planet, a vibrant oasis in the vast cosmic desert, faces an unprecedented crisis. This crisis is not just a fleeting moment in history, but a defining challenge of our time, one that demands our immediate attention and action. We are living in an age defined by human impact on the environment. Industrial activities, urban expansion, and deforestation have left indelible marks on our planet, altering ecosystems and disrupting natural processes. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is a present reality. The signs are all around us, from the increasing frequency of natural disasters to the gradual shifts in weather patterns that affect our daily lives. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and extreme weather events are stark reminders of our planet's delicate balance. These changes are not isolated incidents, but interconnected phenomena that signal a larger, more systemic issue. The evidence is undeniable, and the consequences are dire. Polar ice caps are melting at unprecedented rates, severe droughts are becoming more common, and coastal erosion is threatening communities worldwide. We are witnessing the consequences of our actions firsthand. Flooded streets, deforested areas, and polluted rivers are not just images on a screen. They are real-life scenarios affecting millions of people. Coastal communities face displacement due to rising sea levels. Homes, livelihoods, and entire ways of life are at risk as the ocean encroaches upon the land. Droughts and floods threaten global food security. Crops fail, livestock perish, and the very foundation of our food supply is jeopardized, leading to hunger and economic instability. Entire ecosystems are collapsing at an alarming rate. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are bleaching and dying, while forests, the lungs of our planet, are being decimated. This is not a dystopian future. It is the harsh reality of our present trajectory. Urban flooding, cracked dry earth, and rampant wildfires are becoming the new normal, painting a grim picture of what lies ahead if we do not act. The urgency of our situation cannot be overstated. Melting polar ice, intense hurricanes, and widespread deforestation are clear indicators that we are running out of time. The time for complacency is long gone. People around the world are rising up, demanding action, and pushing for renewable energy solutions. The voices of climate activists are growing louder, and their message is clear. We must act now. We must confront this challenge head-on with unwavering determination and a sense of shared responsibility. Reforestation efforts, solar panel installations, and community cleanups are steps in the right direction, but they are not enough on their own. Ignoring the problem will not make it disappear. The longer we wait, the more difficult and costly it will be to reverse the damage. We cannot afford to turn a blind eye to the mounting evidence. Delaying action will only exacerbate the consequences. Flooded neighborhoods, wildfire aftermaths, and drought-stricken regions are stark reminders of what inaction looks like. We must act now with decisiveness and unity to avert catastrophic outcomes. Climate action marches, renewable energy developments, and community tree planting initiatives are powerful symbols of what we can achieve together. Our planet is a closed system. Everything is interconnected. The health of one ecosystem affects the health of others, creating a delicate web of life that we must protect. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, they all depend on a healthy planet. Clean rivers, lush forests, and organic farms are not just idyllic scenes. They are essential components of our survival. Our own survival is inextricably linked to the well-being of our planet. Families enjoying nature, children playing in clean environments. These are the moments we must strive to preserve for future generations. The environmental crisis is not just an environmental issue. It is a human issue. Climate refugees, health impacts, and the intricate relationship between humans and the environment highlight the profound ways in which our lives are intertwined with the health of our planet. Despite the daunting challenges, we possess the ingenuity and the tools to chart a more sustainable course. Our journey towards sustainability is not just a necessity, but an opportunity to innovate and transform our world for the better. Technological innovation and robust policy measures are crucial weapons in our arsenal. These advancements and regulations can drive the change we need to see, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. We must harness our collective intelligence to develop and implement solutions that mitigate climate change and protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. Collaboration across disciplines and borders is essential to create impactful and lasting change. Renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and geothermal, offer a viable alternative to fossil fuels, the primary culprit behind greenhouse gas emissions. These clean energy solutions not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also provide sustainable and reliable power. Investing in these clean energy technologies is paramount to reducing our carbon footprint. Financial support and incentives for renewable energy projects can accelerate their adoption and integration into our energy systems. Alongside this energy transition, we must prioritize energy efficiency measures to minimize waste and maximize resource utilization. Implementing smart technologies and energy-efficient practices in homes and industries can significantly cut down on energy consumption. Sustainable agriculture practices, including regenerative farming and precision agriculture, hold the key to feeding a growing global population while minimizing environmental impact. These methods not only increase crop yields, but also enhance biodiversity and soil health. These practices enhance soil health, conserve water resources, and reduce reliance on harmful pesticides and fertilizers. By adopting sustainable farming techniques, we can ensure long-term agricultural productivity and environmental sustainability. Adopting these methods is essential for ensuring food security without further degrading our environment. Sustainable farming practices can help build resilient food systems that are capable of withstanding climate change impacts. Policy changes are equally critical. Effective environmental policies can drive the adoption of sustainable practices and ensure that businesses and individuals are held accountable for their environmental impact. Governments and policymakers must implement regulations that incentivize sustainable practices and penalize polluters. Public support and advocacy are also crucial in pushing for stronger environmental policies. Carbon pricing mechanisms such as carbon taxes or cap-and-trade systems can effectively reduce emissions by making polluters accountable for their environmental impact. These economic tools can drive innovation and investment in cleaner technologies, ultimately leading to a more sustainable future.
Beyond technological advancements and policy reforms, we need a fundamental shift in our values and attitudes towards our planet. Our ancestors viewed Earth as a sacred entity, deserving of respect and reverence. We must rediscover that profound connection to nature, recognizing that we are not separate from it, but an integral part of its intricate web of life. Our cultural narratives often perpetuate a sense of human exceptionalism and dominance over nature. This anthropocentric worldview has led to the exploitation and degradation of our planet. It is time to embrace a more eco-centric perspective, recognizing the intrinsic value of all living beings and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth.
Future generations have the right to inherit a healthy and vibrant planet. We have a moral obligation to leave them a world where they can thrive, not just survive. Our actions today will determine the legacy we leave behind. Caring for our planet is not a burden but a privilege. It is an act of love and responsibility towards our home, our community, and our shared future. Let us approach this challenge with the urgency and the reverence it deserves.
Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind SpaceX, has captivated the world with his audacious plan to colonize Mars. His ambition is not just about reaching the red planet. It's about ensuring the survival and advancement of humanity. His vision is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The innovative minds at SpaceX are constantly working on groundbreaking technologies that could revolutionize space travel and exploration. It's a bold bet on the future of humanity, a potential lifeboat for our species amidst growing concerns about Earth's long-term viability. With environmental degradation and climate change posing significant threats, the idea of a second home for humanity becomes increasingly appealing. Musk's plan hinges on developing fully reusable rockets, capable of transporting humans and cargo to Mars at a fraction of the current cost. This innovation could drastically reduce the expenses associated with space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable. The Starship, SpaceX's next-generation spacecraft, is designed with this vision in mind. It's not just a vehicle. It's a symbol of human ambition and the drive to explore beyond our planet. It's a colossal, fully reusable vehicle, envisioned to carry up to 100 people and the necessary supplies to establish a self-sustaining colony on the Red Planet. The Starship represents a significant leap forward in space travel technology, with the potential to change the way we think about interplanetary exploration. The challenges are monumental, but the potential rewards are enticing. Overcoming the harsh conditions of Mars, ensuring the safety of astronauts, and developing sustainable living conditions are just a few of the hurdles that need to be addressed. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars could serve as a backup plan for humanity, safeguarding our species against existential threats on Earth. It could also open up new opportunities for scientific research and technological advancements. It's a bold vision, one that captures the imagination and fuels our innate desire to explore the unknown. The prospect of humans living and thriving on another planet is both exciting and daunting, pushing us to innovate and dream bigger. However, this ambitious endeavor should not distract us from the pressing issues facing our home planet. While the idea of colonizing Mars is thrilling, we must also focus on addressing the environmental challenges that threaten our existence here on Earth. It's crucial to recognize that colonizing Mars is not a quick fix for Earth's problems. We need to invest in sustainable practices, renewable energy, and conservation efforts to ensure the health and longevity of our planet. It's a long-term goal, one that requires significant technological advancements and a sustained commitment spanning generations. The journey to Mars is a testament to human perseverance and the unyielding quest for knowledge and survival.